Kajabi Course Builder app. The pros, the cons. Most people think building an online course is complicated, but the Kajabi Course Builder app proves it doesn't have to be. You won't believe how many powerful tools are packed into this platform for course creation, marketing, and student management. Kajabi lets you design professional courses with videos, quizzes, downloadable resources, and automated drip content. One standout feature is the integrated marketing suite. You can build landing pages, email campaigns, and funnels without needing extra software, making it easier to attract and convert students. Kajabi also supports memberships, coaching programs, and digital product sales, providing a complete ecosystem for online entrepreneurs. The app is flexible and user-friendly. You can manage courses, track student engagement, and access analytics directly from your mobile device. Templates and automation tools save time while maintaining a polished, professional look. However, there are some cons. Kajabi comes at a higher price point compared to other course platforms, which may not suit beginners or those on a tight budget. Some features, like advanced automation, may require a learning curve to fully utilize. Additionally, it's primarily geared toward entrepreneurs rather than casual educators. In conclusion, the Kajabi Course Builder app is ideal for serious online course creators and entrepreneurs looking for a complete solution. Its integrated marketing tools, flexible course design, and automation capabilities make it easier to grow and monetize your knowledge. While it's an investment, the all-in-one approach can save time and resources, helping creators scale efficiently.